Hello, hello. Welcome to African Travel and More. I'm your host, Delandra McCarty, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Now, in today's episode, I want to share with you important information about free land in Ghana, West Africa. Yes. Now, this all started last year with the year of return. So, this has been going on for almost into the second year, but that's okay. I plan on getting my free land as soon as the border opens up. My husband and I plan on returning to Ghana, and we plan on going through this process. Now, just to give you a little bit more of the backstory, last year, 5,000 acres of land was set aside to give to Africans in the diaspora that wanted to return to the motherland, those who wish to repatriate to the motherland, to develop, to collaborate. So it's a very, 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 very good thing. And yes, that's why I say I plan on doing it. You're welcome to come along as I take this journey to get my free land. But I wanted to share with you an interview that Chief Nana Obokese Ampa did last year, discussing the free land and the significance and all of that good stuff and the criteria. So yes, if you wish to catch my upcoming series on this, make sure that you subscribe and you hit the notification bell so that you do not miss my journey in getting my free land. So thank you for joining. I hope that you enjoy what Nana Okobese Ampa has to say about the free land. Yes.
Is talking about, or I've heard on radio, seen on TV, some of the African Americans are, tracing their DNA back to Ghana. I learned Michelle Obama is a Ghanaian, after going through the checking her ancestry, her roots, she's from Ghana. Do you know of any other African Americans who are coming home who are saying, no, my roots is from Ghana?
Well, it's a beautiful thing to admit and to encourage. First of all, use the opportunity to encourage all the African family, the global African family, that we are not from nowhere. Just about a week ago, we had a naming ceremony for some of our brothers and sisters coming from Jamaica. They live there. And, when they were asked to do introduction, they went, I'm Michelle from Jamaica. I'm this from Jamaica. I said, no, you are not from Jamaica. You live in Jamaica. You are from Africa.
Ghanaian, yes.
So the bottom line is that we are all Africans. We don't even need to say we are from Benin or from Cotonou, from Togo, from Madagascar, whatever. We are Africans. If we put ourselves together and if we have a sense of we, it's better than have the sense of me or them. So I like to just, admit and to encourage Africanness, oneness. So it doesn't really matter if someone traces the DNA to this state or that state. We are all Africans.
Okay. So like you heard, we are all Africans. There is no need to say I'm from Ghana, I'm from Nigeria, Togo, Benin. No. We are all Africans, one continent. Nana, during the Panafest in Cape Coast, I heard the president of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, saying that they have opened up and now there's an availability of land for Africans in the diaspora who want to come home and then settle. I want you to elaborate on that.
Well, first of all, let me use this opportunity to say a big thank you to His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic, for this beautiful initiative for us to remind ourselves of who we are. I mean, I'm talking about the Year of Return as a festival or as something to celebrate. What happened is that on 20th of June 2019, His Royal Eminence Nana Dr. Kudechi Amenfi VII, the Omahin of Asebu traditional area, did something very amazing. On that day, we gathered his people, the chiefs, and the community, the entire community, and some of our brothers and sisters from the diaspora. And on behalf of all the chiefs and people of Ghana and of Africa and of the Asebu state, Ghana apologized to the whole world in camera. We apologize to our brothers and sisters in the diaspora for the roles that the chiefs played in the past in this slave trade saga. He apologized, and it was a very humbling experience to see Nana, someone of his magnitude, someone of his posture, come down to say an apology and then to embrace our brothers and sisters from the diaspora. I mean, it was a very humbling experience. And at the backdrop of that apology, Nana said that Africa is for Africans, it's for all of us. So he donated 5,000 acres of land for all our brothers and sisters who, for one reason or the other, became victims of the slave trade, to consider coming back home to live. So it is very true. His Excellency President Nana Akufo-Addo wouldn't lie. It is very, very true. Nana openly donated the land to Africans who are victims of the slave trade to come and then partake, to come and live, to come and stay, to come and be part of us, because they are part of us anyway.
All right, so we are ready to mingle with you, to share ideas with you, because we are welcoming you to settle down here in Africa. It can be anywhere. We happen to be in Ghana right now, making this video, talking to you directly from Ghana, Cape Coast, Asebu Traditional Council. Now, like he said, the Omahin of Asebu Traditional Council has openly collaborated with the President of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, to give out this 5,000 acres of land to brothers and sisters coming to Africa. Now, we would like to know, and I know you would like to know, how do we go about getting this land? I know you are thinking of settling down in Ghana, in Africa. How do we acquire this land, Nana?
Well, it's very simple and straightforward. First of all, you have to be
African descent. You have to prove that you are someone of an African descent. Number two, we will take you through a very short orientation. We're trying to build a new community of us. So you need to know some of our customs. You need to demonstrate to us that you are willing to respect the customs, the culture. You're willing to respect your being an African. That is one. And then we'll have to also present a little check on you, your background. We have to know if you don't have any issues, bordering criminality or some basic checks. We'll take you through that. And then, right away, bingo, you get your land. And then you choose to do whatever you want to do with it. But we're encouraging residential settlement. We also have land for industrial purposes. So, number one, of very importance, is you have to prove that you are an African. And then you are in the States, you are in Jamaica, you are in Barbados, you are in Trinidad and Tobago. Anywhere that you will find yourself today, it's as a result of the transatlantic slave trade. Immediately you qualify for the land. And then you also have to go through an orientation. it can be online, it can be in person, but there's some set of questions. We would like to take you through some basic cultural norms of our people as Ghanaians, as Africans. And then we'll get a little background check from you to know that you are really serious to come and then live with us to perform your functions as a community person, to even help us all grow Africa together. Well, first of all, you don't pay for the land. It is free. What you do is you come to Asebu. Asebu is very close to Cape Coast, like 15 minutes drive. And then you come to the palace, or the Makoma Palace. We have a secretariat at the palace. You will fill out forms, or you can as well email us. I'll give you the numbers, the email address. What you pay for is the documentation and then the pillaring. In Ghana, it's commonplace that when you buy land, you have to go to the Lands Commission to register it. You have to put pillars there. That you pay for yourself, but the land is free.
Thank you for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed the message that the chief had, and I hope that you'll join me on my journey to get my free land in Ghana, West Africa. God bless you, and I hope to see you here soon. Bye.